Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Welcome back. In this episode, we take a look at the Holiday Inn and Suites Sriracha, Thailand. I'll start out by telling you this is not a touristy area at all. This is more of a commercial, industrial area. I use this hotel for a place to unwind and kind of catch up from traveling on the road. Just wanted a place to basically recharge, and this was an excellent stop to do that. You can see this hotel has a nice, spacious lobby area. I believe they're training staff down there. Let's take a look. They upgraded me to a suite, which was wonderful. This room is designed for a long stay. You can see as soon as you walk in, we have the mini fridge. You have a small stove area, your tea and coffee setup. There are plates. You have glasses. You can see here, I'll open the drawer. Oh, silverware. This is definitely designed for a longer stay. You're going to see that as we move throughout. There's the microwave. Always nice to have that, as well as a full sink. As we turn and look throughout the rest of the room, let's do that. Here's one more look at the little mini kitchen area. Here we have a living room set up. You have a couch and table. You have the little dining room table with a couple of seats. And yes, this is a full-size freezer fridge. Like I said, this location is designed for you to stay a little bit longer, which is certainly nice. You don't have to eat out every meal. You can go get some groceries and cook for yourself. There is a little balcony off to the side. You have a view of the local area. And what this is really used for is over here to the right. You have a washer. Now, this is pretty much gold when you're traveling. It's one thing to have the laundry room, that's convenient. To have one in your room, well, that's even better. Here's a quick look across the room. You can see you have the little setup there for your computer desk. We'll look around the bedroom area here for a minute. This suite was definitely comfortable. I stayed here, I want to say about 2 weeks, and really enjoyed my stay. We'll take a look. There's the closet area here in the corner. There you go. You've got a room for you to hang things up. There you can see my travel vest, which I have a love-hate relationship with. There's the safe, and you have a couple drawers you can throw socks and underwear in. They do give you robes at this location, as well as an iron and ironing board. Stepping into, oh boy, a face only a mother could love. Hi, Mom. This is a good sized bathroom. You'll see here as we scroll around. They have a nice, plenty of room there by the sink, which is nice when you're in a hotel. Here we have the toilet with the bum gun. You have the stand-up shower. And something that you usually don't have a lot in Southeast Asia, you have a tub. So if you're a tub person, they've got you covered right here. And of course, they have the wand as well. Very nice, very nice. Definitely a good bathroom. You can see that they have the little rack there for you to hang your clothes and dry them. And there you can see plenty of sink space or space there in the bathroom, extra towels. Just showing you this real quick. They have the sliding doors in between the living room and the bedroom. Should you have an extra guest that you needed to let crash on the couch, you're okay. You still can get some privacy there. Definitely a nice little setup for an extended stay.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review.
Here's a look at the fitness center. Multiple machines, nice view outside. We'll take a look at that in a second. There we go. Most importantly, some room to breathe. You don't feel like you're on top of somebody else while you're trying to get your workout in. Here's a look at the pool. They have a little mini pool area for the kids. You have the showers, of course. Plenty of seating along the pool. And you got a decent view out of the local area. I like that you could pick a seat in or out of the shade, so gotta like that. They do have a restaurant down by the lobby. Here's a run through of breakfast. I'll say the breakfast at this location is a little larger than some of the others. They have a nice setup. Plenty of hot food options. Of course, you've got custom made to order eggs. You can see you get all types of beverages to choose from. Your cereals, your salads. Good selection here. And the dining room had plenty of space. I always like that. You see plenty of sliced fruit for you. Got to make sure the coffee machine works well. No problems there. Here's some more options as far as hot food. Things I need to avoid, but they still taste great.
Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.